Spray heat protection onto a paddle brush and then comb it evenly throughout all your hair. Doing this ensures every strand gets product. Section off the top portion of your hair, and now we're ready to start crimping. So crimping your hair is pretty straightforward and way easier to do than curling. I'll also keep my down bar updated with the top crimpers and hair tools for those looking to upgrade. And now you want to clip back the crimps, get another layer, and repeat the same process to the rest of your hair. So this is how typical crimped hair looks. It's nice and big, a little messy, and it really adds a ton of volume to flat hair. I definitely am more adventurous, and this is a bit boring for me, so I'm gonna have a little fun, play up this look, and add some color. The tinfoil should be about the length of your hair. Fold the top part down as so, and next cut in the middle a half circle. And when you open it, now it's a full circle. Now you want to fold down the top part a little as so to make it stronger, because that's where we're going to be holding it the most. Take a small top section of hair and loop it through the hole. Then move the foil all the way up. Curve the sides of the foil as well so that it sort of acts like a mini shield. Shake up the temporary hair can really well. Then spray your hair away in light strokes until you like the color payoff. Slowly remove the tinfoil and you'll get a nice pink streak. You can make the section smaller if this is too chunky for you, but I like it this way. Place it to the other side and take another random piece of hair and repeat the same process to the rest of your hair. I'm only going to be doing about 8 or 9 pieces around my whole head. You can do as little or as many as you want. Now I'm going to spray my bangs and you are done. I love the fact how this washes off with shampoo and how it lasts all day. This is great for all fun events and whenever you're feeling bored of your hair, or if you just want to match the top like I did. Don't forget to check out my book for even more life-changing tips, only at russostyles.com.